subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Then we'll turn towards recent developments along the India-China borders in the western sector and Sikkim. General Huda, one question which is being asked is how serious are the Chinese incursions in face-off situations, some of which are still continuing. There is a pattern of Indian and Chinese troops coming face-to-face along the LAC. Do you see the recent incidents being different and more worrisome in nature compared to what generally happens?
Yes, sir, I do. What you're saying is right. There have been normal face-offs. There are normal face-offs that happen every year. So last year in Ladakh alone, as per media reports, there were almost 500 face-offs. But the point is, these 500 face-offs don't lead to the kind of incident that we've had. And I say this is much more serious for 3-4 reasons. One is, they've come completely well prepared, and they've come prepared to do things by force. We've never seen this kind of level of violence. We've had Chumar, we've had Doklam. Restraint was always the key between both the armies. And now we are seeing the kind of violence that has taken place between both the sides. We are seeing that, this has happened at a large number of places. It's not been restricted only to one location. Earlier incidents were all localized. We also knew what exactly the red lines of the Chinese were. All other incidents were locally triggered. So if you saw Chumar, Doklam, both were locally triggered by some action. You want to build a road in some area. We were absolutely clear what the red lines of both sides are and what are the demands of the two sides. So one side wanted to build the road, one side said, no, you can't build the road. And therefore, we also knew what are the steps towards resolution. I'm not sure we know all this in this particular case. What is it that the Chinese want? Why have they come into so many areas? Maybe the defense know, maybe the military officers who are negotiating know. Will they ease off and just quietly go back after having sort of invested so much and come to these areas? So there is a great element of certainty in a particular situation. And that for me actually adds to the risk and possibly the difficulty in resolving it on both sides.
General Huda, you have been Northern Army commander. Did we have a pattern of Chinese incursions in the Galwan River Valley? You referred to intrusions or face-off situations in areas like Depsang, Demchok, Chumar. Those areas we have had problems in the past. What about Galwan River Valley? Is it a new area they're coming into?
Absolutely. So of the areas that we are hearing about, the area of Hot Spring, and there is some talk about areas called PP 14, 15, then obviously there is Galwan River.